QuiXilver. Tap your team's full potential.
Did you know that according to a McKinsey study, the average knowledge worker only spends 20% of his or her time on value-added work? The remaining 80% is spent on soliciting support, searching for information, and ensuring people work as expected. Or did you know that the Basics Institute estimates that 28% of a day is lost in interruptions? On average, employees are interrupted only 11 minutes into a task, and even worse,
after that, it takes 25 minutes to return to the original task. Or maybe you yourself are beginning to feel overwhelmed with a river of emails that is increasingly difficult to manage.
QuiXilver was designed to solve the underlying cause of these symptoms and help teams to work more efficiently and perform better. It does so by allowing teams to easily and securely share documents, tasks, and priorities amongst team members all in one place and project by project. Leverage QuiXilver
to tap your team's full potential.
Here's an example how QuiXilver works. Thomas is an up-and-coming employee. He has just been given the responsibility to prepare a very important presentation for senior management, the monthly department update. To do that, he needs to work closely with several colleagues from his own and other departments. To manage this project, Thomas creates a shared QuiXilver workspace and invites his collaborators.
In the workspace, they can securely exchange all necessary information and coordinate their work. With everything in QuiXilver, there is no longer a need to switch between email, intranet sites, or documents on shared drives.
That saves a lot of time and distractions for all. Each workspace is project-specific and combines files, messages, applications, and websites. The File Manager tab is where documents are managed, and QuiXilver ensures that everybody is always working on the latest version of the files. Since creating such a big presentation is a complex project, there are many little action items and tasks that need to be managed. To do this, Thomas installed the Task Manager from the QuiXilver application store to centrally manage them. The Task Manager application allows Thomas and his colleagues to synchronize task descriptions, assignments, updates, and priorities. To make the collaboration painless, the team agreed to do a weekly project alignment meeting, where they get together for a few minutes, have a coffee, and review each other's tasks in the Task Manager's list. The process works so well that for the entire project,
no other meeting was required.
Furthermore, updates to tasks or documents automatically notify task owners and other interested people via workspace notifications. This lets a team member stay abreast of the project progress
and jump in to help address issues as they arise, and thus reduce the need for additional emails or meetings.
Thomas's peers are starting to realize why his career is going so well. His team members make those in-between minutes where they are on the train, waiting for room to free up, or waiting for a customer to arrive, count by reviewing the latest presentation or updating the status of their tasks. Collaboratively preparing a big presentation is only one of many ways how QuiXilver can help you release the full potential of your team.
Maybe you are managing a bigger task force or project. Maybe your work requires you to share data with your customers to keep them in the loop. Or maybe your work involves the coordination of distributed teams.
QuiXilver App Store contains many applications, from sophisticated project and product management applications, to asset tracking applications, to simple tools such as idea discussion boards.
Install as many or few applications as are relevant to your project, so they are readily accessible by your team members from their project workspace. QuiXilver is enterprise communication, document management, project management, highly customizable. Try it now at www.QuiXilver.com.